Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see one of the greatest central government job for all over India. This PDF belongs to New Delhi. So you just want to create an account here and you just want to apply all over the state BS account. So you can create here. I will explain everything briefly. So don't think that this is only for Delhi, not for other state. Every state it's belong to the same. I just download the PDF from one state. So the educational qualification will be BE, BTech, Master in Methodological Engineering. If you are graduated in Methodological Engineering and in experience in any private company at the food development and distribution of government, it will be useful on 60% through their academics, 2 years of experience, and the salary range will be graduate in any discipline and desire higher qualification, research, everything common. Fixed 2 years, 70,000. After 2 years, while you are joining, if you are starting, will be 35. After 2 years, you may get a double 70,000. And this all their activities which are all going to your work. And the eligibility criteria: MSCD, Management System Certificate Department, and the essential desire and 60% through minimum 70% required in 10th 12th standards. So the job location: young professional will be posted anywhere in the Indian depending upon the requirement. So they are Indian depending requirement. They are posting into central government job opportunity. Selection process: all the application received shall be scrutinized and shortlisted candidate will be in a write-up qualification detail provided in the application form. Mere fulfilled qualification shortlisting not confer right to be engaged. Young professional and shortlisted candidate called for practical assessment. So they are also conducting about practical assessment. Only they are looking for a experience of 1 or 2 years with young people. Pressure of engagement will be period of 2 years. Nature of engagement: basic engagement, subject terminated at the end of contract period. Remuneration and TDA, leaves, working hours 9 am to 5 am, nothing, assignment, full-time, basic and young professional. Travel, medical, clearance and service incurred, death, injury, illness, everything they are provided free for the government job. Medical fitness and policy verification and terminating of contract enhancement and confidentiality of data document verification from your starting to ending career. How many data certification or your ration card, Aadhaar card, PAN card, school, college certificate, everything should be document confidently verified. Other terms and condition and general instruction they are mentioning here, you can read out here. Nothing apart from that they are mentioning about engagement, submitted the fake document and fabricated, it comes under the law rule, you may get 60,000 in jail, and so many law processes will be involved in this job. So before applying, don't cheat them. If you are having any police affairs or any other things, it will be invalid. So don't apply and don't cheat them. Surely at the end you may got it. So this is all and all they are mentioning here. Submit application and fees no paid. So don't pay any fees to them. If anyone asks me that is fake, this is only the real proof and the link is I am providing here. You can apply, click here also, it will automatically move to here, or otherwise I already open account. Both are same only. So welcome to BIS portal. This is government portal which is created by central government. Employee may please check the register email ID, update password. User can enter email ID, check on continue and click forgot to reset password. And just want to create a BIS account here. So no one having account in BIS account. So just want to create directly here itself and set a OTP password. Then you may click here login and reset your password after creating your own account. So apply as much quickly. This is not for Delhi. So I'm once again mentioning this is all over Indian job. I am taken this PDF from Delhi portal. So apply as much quickly. 1 year of experience also you can apply. They are looking for a young candidate with 70,000 salary. So apply as much quickly guys. If you have any doubt while filling creating account, just contact me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.